Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to send a payment link using Wise. Right? If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, open up the Wise app, or it could be on the web version. Okay. Now in here, just go out and find your account. For example, there's a US dollar account right here. So once you're in here, just go to the request button. Just tap on it. Now you're gonna want to tap on share payment link. Okay. It says here, share a link with someone to get paid in USD, depending on the currency right here. So just tap on it, wait for it to load. Now go ahead and enter the Wise tag, email, phone, or name of the person that you would want to request payment. Okay. For example, I have here Mr. Antonio Docal. I'm just going to tap on it. Now I'm going to request the amount, maybe 100. And then once done, you can go ahead and add in a note. Maybe this is for a service, something like that. Then once done, just tap on send request. Okay. Once done, as you can see here, it now says we've let the person know you requested the money. Just hit on done, or you can go ahead and tap on view request. Okay. And then here you can actually tap on mark as paid. Another option, tap on request right here. Okay. Let's go ahead and select share payment link. And you'd also use anyone right here. Tap on it. And also you can go ahead and choose to send them the QR code, or just basically tap on share right here. Make sure to add the amount and note. Okay. Maybe 100, note, pay me, and then create payment link. Like so. You can copy the link from here or right here, or share the QR code. And when you tap on share right here, you can easily forward this message or link to the person you wanted to request the payment. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.